Step 5 of National Hurricane Preparedness Week is to stay protected during storms. Whether you've evacuated or are sheltering in place, know what to expect from the hazards you face. Always keep a safe distance from flooded or damaged areas. When you're at risk from storm surge or flooding, it's important to get to high ground and never drive through floodwaters or compromised bridges. Always pay attention to barriers and signage. To protect yourself from wind, the best thing you can do is put as many walls between you and the outside as possible. An interior room without windows is the safest place you can be in a building. Make sure to have emergency alerts enabled on your phone to receive warnings and other alerts, and pay attention to the forecast as conditions can change quickly and storms can rapidly intensify. Even small changes can make a big difference. Remain vigilant and keep in mind that impacts can be felt far from the coast. Listen to officials and avoid travel unless ordered to evacuate. Local officials can provide you with up-to-date information as the situation changes. Follow recommended evacuation routes and do not take shortcuts as they may be blocked. Thanks for spending a minute with EM.